Singapore is a vibrant tapestry of cultures, where diversity is not just accepted but celebrated. With over 30% of its population being foreigners, this island nation thrives on the contributions of people from all walks of life. Here, you'll find a rich blend of traditions, from the colorful festivities of Deepavali to the joyous celebrations of Chinese New Year, all embraced by locals and newcomers alike. In hawker centers, people from different nationalities sit side by side, sharing meals and stories, creating connections that transcend borders. The government actively promotes inclusion through community programs, ensuring that everyone feels at home. Yes, challenges exist, but Singapore faces them with unity and open dialogue, reinforcing its commitment to harmony. This is a place where you're not just a visitor or a worker, you're part of a community that values your presence. In Singapore, you belong, and together we shape a brighter future.